Welcome to Watch. Here is the market analysis brought by Macro Global Markets on March 20th. Market analysis. In the early morning, the Federal Reserve's interest rate meeting kept the interest rate unchanged, and then Federal Reserve Chairman Powell delivers speech, saying that there will be 2 interest rate cuts this year, and the recent upsurge of risk aversion has boosted the spot gold market to a record high. Spot gold surged back in the Asian session this trading day, reaching a maximum of $3,057.58 per ounce, and is currently trading at around $3,045 per ounce. Recent market hotspots focus on the trend of the Trump administration's tariff policy and the recent progress of negotiations between the parties to the Russian-Ukrainian conflict. At the same time, the future trend of the Federal Reserve's monetary policy will also affect the market trend. Gold market. At present, the spot gold hourly chart is in the main mood. From a short-term 15-minute chart, the gold price is in a high shock stage, with a shock range of 30.40 to 30.57, and it can be sold at a high price and bought at a low price in this range. If the afternoon market breaks 3,057 points, you can intervene in multiple orders, and the upper target can look at 30.67 to 30.77. If the afternoon market breaks 3,040 points, you can intervene in empty orders, and the lower target can look at 30.30 to 30.20. Stop losses are all $5. Forex market. Euro to US dollar. The exchange rate of euro to US dollar fluctuated at a high level in hours and fluctuated in 15 minutes. The oscillation range of a short-term 15-minute chart is 1.0860 to 1.0918. Investors can flexibly sell at high prices and buy at low prices within this range. If the exchange rate in the afternoon successfully breaks through 1.0918 points, we can consider intervening in multiple orders, and the upper target position can be set in the range of 1.0970 to 1.1000. If it falls below 1.0860 points, you can consider intervening in empty orders. The target position below can be seen in the range of 1.0820 to 1.0780. Stop losses are all 20 points, 0.0020. Pound sterling to US dollar. The exchange rate of pound sterling to US dollar fluctuates at a high level on the hourly chart and at a high level on the 15-minute chart, with a fluctuation range of 1.2951 to 1.3015. In operation, it can be sold at a high price and bought at a low price. If the afternoon market breaks 1.3015 points, you can intervene in multiple orders, and the upper target can look at 1.3050 to 1.3080. If the afternoon market breaks 1.2951 points, you can intervene in empty orders, and the lower target can look at 1.2910 to 1.2880. Stop losses are all 20 points, 0.0020. Australian dollar to US dollar. The exchange rate of Australian dollar to US dollar is at a high level in the hourly chart. The short-term 15-minute chart is in shock, and the shock range is 0.6320 to 0.6365. If the market breaks 0.6365 points in the afternoon, you can intervene in multiple orders, and the upper target can be seen at 0.6405 to 0.6460. If the afternoon market breaks 0.6320 points, you can intervene in empty orders, and the target below can be 0.6280 to 0.6230. Stop losses are all 20 points, 0.0020. US dollar to Japanese yen. The exchange rate of US dollar to Japanese yen is in a volatile stage. The short period 15-minute chart is in the oscillation stage, and the oscillation range is 148.17 to 148.53. Operationally, you can sell at a high price and buy at a low price in this range. If the exchange rate of US dollar to Japanese yen falls below 148.17 points in the afternoon, you can consider intervening in empty orders, and the target position below can be seen in the range of 147.75 to 147.20. If you successfully break through 148.53 points, you can consider intervening in multiple orders, and the upper target position can be set in the range of 149.05 to 149.75. Stop losses are all 20 points, 0.20.